Hello and welcome to Skillweb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record screen on OBS. So let's have a look now. Open OBS Studio on your computer. In the scene section, click the plus icon to create a scene. Name your scene and then click the plus icon in the sources section. Choose display capture from the options. Name the source and click OK. Resize and position the capture source within the preview window to fit your recording area. Click Start Recording, locate at the bottom right corner. To stop the recording, click Stop Recording in the same location where you started it. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.